Mosi Kangava sparks debate with series of strongly worded posts. The official X formerly Twitter account of Mosi Kangava @ Kangava on February 19, 2026 published a string of posts addressing family, nationalism, historical memory, and current political figures, drawing widespread public attention. According to the timeline reviewed, the post touched on themes ranging from his relationship with President Museveni to commentary on opposition leaders, Uganda's historical past, and foreign relations. And I hear RSF has calmed Colombians with them. That's like tomato sauce. It will help us get them up quickly. I want to capture a Colombian. I'll bring him to Maison Noire so you can all examine him. Women can only observe from 5 feet away. We don't need the excitement. Any woman who gets too excited will hand 20 kibokos. If she falls in love, that's 50 kibokos. It is only satanic and Nyashless chicks that are preventing me from entering the kingdom of heaven. Personally, I think we should identify all Nyashless girls in the country and record them. All those who marry a Nyashless woman should pay a fine to URA. The Nyashless tax. Exactly, the Nyashless tax. Praise for his father. In one message, General Muhoozi expressed gratitude to President Museveni, often referred to as Mzee, crediting him for shaping his character. I thank my father for one thing. He made me a man. He has never protected me from anything. In fact, he is the one who has criticized me most in my life. He later added, the good news is, after a very long time, Mzee is helping us build the Uganda we have always dreamed of. Under his wise guidance, we are slowly making Uganda great. Anti-imperialist message. The UPDF Chief of Defense Forces also addressed what he described as Ugandan and African anti-imperialist patriots, urging resilience. To all Ugandan and African anti-imperialist patriots, first of all, do not fear hardships. Secondly, do not fear death. Statue of Yoni Netanyahu announcement. One of the most notable posts announced plans to unveil a statue at Entebbe International Airport in honor of Yoni Netanyahu, the Israeli officer killed during the 1976 Entebbe raid. Netanyahu was the elder brother of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. General Muhoozi wrote, in order to strengthen our close blood relations with Israel, we shall soon unveil a statue to Yoni Netanyahu at the exact spot he was killed at Entebbe Airport. Yoni was the big brother of Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. God bless Uganda and Israel. In a separate post, he added, we are unveiling the statue soon, and one day you shall thank me for it. He also questioned a user in another exchange, asking, are you segregating against the Jewish people? Comments on Idi Amin and historical casualties. Responding to a debate over historical death tolls under the regime of former Ugandan leader Idi Amin, General Muhoozi strongly rejected claims minimizing the casualties. Replying to a user, he wrote, then you are a buffoon. He further stated, yes, Ugandans died and we shall build their monuments too. However, they died defending Idi Amin's dictatorship. Idi Amin massacred at least 400,000 Ugandans. Remarks on political figures. Several post-preference opposition and ruling party figures. On Kiza Besigye, General Muhoozi wrote, once upon a time they used to say Besigye was untouchable. He's in jail. Wacha tuone. In another post, he added, Besigye wanted to kill Mzee. So as far as we are concerned, UPDF is a dead man walking. He also commented on Nobad Mao. Wait, correction, not enlist. Avoid adding. He referred to opposition figures Bobi Wine, writing, you are a disappointed dog, then you have a problem yourself. And in a separate post, the best thing about Kabubi's self-kidnap is that we have all forgotten about him. May he stay in Geneva forever. Exchange involving Tafire. General Muhoozi also addressed comments involving General Tafire. Honorable Tafire should stop trying to use me in his fight with my father. He has a very big problem with Museveni. He knows it. Let us see if Museveni arrests him. He added, let Museveni decide what to do with Honorable Tafire. It won't take us a half a second to arrest him. Cultural reference. In one final reflective post, General Muhoozi referenced the concept of warrior afterlife. That's where brave warriors go when they die. The Vikings call it Valhalla. We call it Paradise. The series of posts has generated significant online debate, with supporters praising his assertiveness, while critics question the tone and implications of some remarks. General Muhoozi's account bio identifies him as official Twitter account of General Mosi Kangava, Chief of Defense Forces UPDF and SPA/SO. As of publication, there has been no official statement clarifying or expanding on the remarks. Welcome to Acholi Pro TV, and you're with me, Mark Brian. In this video, we're going to look at the Syrian law. As you already know, Ajok Vicky is under their custody, possibly, but also some sort